I'm going to cook chopped spinach with fenugreek. This is a dry fenugreek I just washed, and cilantro. This is cilantro, I cut it from the ginger, garlic and onion. I chopped it. This is here all season, little bit ingredient, it comes mixed. Turmeric, red chili powder, little bit, less than half a teaspoon. This is a cumin seed right here, and a cinnamon stick. That's it. This is a boiled chicken. I made a soup yesterday. I took out when it's a half cook, so I took out bone. This is boneless now. So I'm going to add this is frozen spinach, also called Paalak ka saag. So this is all the ingredients will go in. It's easy cooking actually. I just add everything together, and I'm going to add a little bit butter. Can be add oil also, ghee, oil, whatever. And one, I'm going to add water. Now I'm going to let it cook slow fire. Once it's first boiled, then I bring it to slow. So it will take maybe 30-35 minutes to cook.